right, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Apple MagSafe battery pack. Now, I'm very excited to check this thing out. I'm going to test it out on both the iPhone 12 and 12 mini. Also, as we're getting into this, if you guys could smash like button on this video, I greatly appreciate it. And if you want to get in on our iOS newsletter, I'll throw a link in both the description and comments. So there's been a lot of controversy about this battery pack, mainly because of the price point on it. So it sells for $100 brand new. I gotta say, I do like the packaging here. It only comes in one color. You can get it in white. Unfortunately, that's it. It would have been nice if there were some color options on this. But there are some alternatives out there that sell for half the price. But we'll see if this thing's quality or not. And yeah, dang, this thing does look nice for sure. All right, yeah, let's see what's in here. Yeah, man. First impression right now, this thing looks slick. All right, and of course, it looks like there's a little manual right here. I have no idea what could be in here, honestly. Let's just take a quick peek. All right, looks like there's some warranty information, which is cool, but we're just going to toss that to the side. All right, let's take a look at this battery pack and get it out of the actual wrapping here. It's wrapped up pretty good. Okay, that's nice. All right, so here it is, guys. I mean, the thing does look really nice. It's got some weight to it as well. It's kind of heavy. Now, the actual charging part of this, it's almost like a rubberized mat, kind of, that's the feel it has. Let's just check out the magnet. All right, so I can tell you right now that the magnet on this is very strong. I'm just gonna pick it up from the side here to see that it's got a super good grip on it. We'll put it on the iPhone 12 now that we got it on the purple iPhone 12 mini right there, and we'll see. Yeah, basically the same thing. All right, so I mean, as far as the magnet on this thing, it is very strong. And like I said, this battery pack does have a little bit of weight to it. So it's not like, you know, very light, or it's not like super light. And yeah, okay, so I just wanted to flip the iPhone 12 over to see how this just kind of like balances it. It's got a really good balance. One thing I want to point out about this battery pack is that it will actually charge itself when you have your iPhone plugged in, which is pretty cool. I think they're calling it reverse charging or wireless charging, something like that. I also wanted to see if this works with a case. Now, when I've tried the Anker Magnetic 5K, which is a great alternative to this for half the price, it hasn't worked with a case, but I'm just, yep, okay, so it's somewhat case friendly, but you know, if you flip your phone over, it's gonna fall off. I'm using a Spigen case here on the iPhone 12, and you could see that, you know, I'm going to do this a little bit slower. So kind of going to the side here a little bit, and it, yep. So if you kind of like go too much, it's not going to, you know, stay connected. So the magnet with the case, you know, I kind of expected it not to, you know, really have a strong, you know, attachment, and it really doesn't. But yeah, I mean, my first impressions of this thing, it's cool. I would say the design on it's really nice. It's got a really strong grip, you know, when you put it on your iPhone. I mean, it's not going to come off unless you actually like take the time to kind of like, you know, rip it off. But yeah, the one thing I want to say, though, is it is a little bit of a disappointment that it only comes in white. It would have been nice to see some color options to match the colors of different iPhones. And, you know, but I mean, it is what it is. I am going to be comparing this with the Anker Magnetic K, but like I said, first impressions of this thing, yeah, it's a nice battery pack for sure. And, you know, even though it's $100, you kind of got to expect at this point Apple's going to jack up the price a little bit. And, you know, like I said, the one cool thing about using this is that it will charge itself when you plug your iPhone in through the Lightning port. So, you know, I mean, it's a pretty cool accessory. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more on it, and we'll see you in the next one.